Hello students, welcome to this video of your online English class. In this video, we are going to discuss a very beautiful story from your English reader book, The Canary. Now, The Canary is the story of a boy called Somu and his pet bird, that is a canary, and the name of that bird is Molly, Molly, Molly. तो कैनरी बेसिकली सोमू और उसके पेट बर्ड मॉली की कहानी है. और मॉली कौन है? मॉली इज ए कैनरी. नाउ लेट मी रीड द स्टोरी. सिर्फ फर्स्ट पेज. वी विल टुडे डिस्कस ओनली द फर्स्ट पेज एंड लेट अस फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द स्टोरी अबाउट. सोमू's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Now what is a canary? कैनरी इज ए स्मॉल येल्लो पेट बर्ड. बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिखती है वो चिड़िया. एंड थ्रू आउट द डे शी कीप्स ऑन बजिंग एंड ट्वीटिंग एंड सिंगिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. सोमू नेम्ड द बर्ड मॉली. सोमू नेम्ड द बर्ड मॉली. Molly sang softly and sweetly. Do you want to know how canary sings? Do you want to listen how canary sings and watch how the canary looks like? Here's a video. At first, Somu looked after the bird. Each day he cleaned her cage, gave her seeds and fresh water. At tea time, he gave her a lump of sugar. So you can see, students, Somu took very good care of the canary. He named her Molly. Every day he cleaned her cage and gave her seeds, fresh water and a lump of sugar. Okay, and what is lump? Lump means an irregular piece of solid. A piece of solid having irregular shape. टुकड़ा, कोई भी टुकड़े को lump कहते हैं. Well, now let us read the story further and find out what happens next. Molly was very happy in the cage. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Now Molly was happy because Somu used to give her seeds, water, lump of sugar, and every day he was cleaning her cage. And why Molly's friends were jealous? See, they were jealous because Molly got a very good house. Molly got a very good master in the form of Somu. Somu उसका बहुत ख्याल रखता था. And what do you mean by jealous? Jealous means to feel very upset or angry or sad because someone else is doing better than you. कोई दूसरा आपसे अच्छा कर रहा है और आपको उसके लिए बुरा लगे तो उसको जेलसी कहते हैं. You feel jealous. जब दूसरों की तरक्की देख के आपको खुशी नहीं बल्कि गुस्सा आता है, दुख होता है, that is jealousy. That is the feeling of jealousy and you are feeling jealous. So now let us read further. Molly's friends were jealous of her. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. She would sing sweet songs for them. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. सोमू को और मॉली में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहा. Why? Because he was fed up. उसको फिर किसी दूसरे चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट लगने लगा. Isn't it? Children are like that. एक चीज़ पे उनका ध्यान नहीं रहता. 2 दिन किसी चीज़ से खेलते हैं फिर दूसरे दिन कुछ और मांगते हैं. So Somu was like that. बहुत दिनों तक मॉली के साथ खेलता रहा and now he lost complete interest in her. So let us find out why or how Somu lost interest. Now it was no longer fun to look after her. मॉली की सेवा करके अब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. क्या रोज रोज इसका केस धोऊंगा, इसको सीड्स खिलाऊंगा, हटाओ इसको, मैं कुछ और करूंगा इंटरेस्टिंग. One day he did not clean her cage. Another day he did not feed her. उसको खाना भी नहीं दिया. Just imagine. And then worst of all, worst means very, 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 very bad. Worst of all, he forgot to give her water. One day he did not clean her cage. Another day he did not feed her. And then worst of all, he did not give her water. He forgot to give her water. तो सीड्स भी नहीं, खाना भी नहीं, पानी भी नहीं. सो मॉली जिंदा रहेगी या मर जाएगी? So Molly became very sad. She was feeling very uncomfortable. She was feeling very upset because Somu did not give her food and water. Molly was very unhappy. Somu loved her no longer and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. She went to the water dish hoping that there might be just a drop of water, but there wasn't any. पानी की कटोरी के पास भी एक बूंद पानी नहीं था. सो मॉली वॉज थर्स्टी, मॉली वॉज हंग्री एंड मॉली वॉज इन ग्रेट पेन. उसको बहुत तकलीफ हो रही थी. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी शैल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट what happens to Molly.